Hello everyone, this is Anupama from Maharaja College of Pharmacy. I am studying B.Pharmacy 3rd year. Today I am here to present a seminar on the topic of facial laser resurfacing. Facial laser resurfacing. Introduction. Laser resurfacing is a treatment to reduce the facial wrinkles and skin irregularities such as blemishes or acne scars. It is a treatment which reduces the wrinkles, blemishes or acne scars which are present on the face. The technique directs short, concentrated, pulsating beams of light at irregular skin, precisely removing skin layer by layer. In this technique, they use short, concentrated, pulsating beams of light where the skin irregularities are present on the skin, and the treatment involves removing skin layer by layer. It also uses high energy pulsed and scanned lasers. In this treatment, they use high energy pulsed and scanned lasers. Dr. Goldman has been called father of laser in medicine and surgery. Dr. Goldman, who is called father of lasers in medicine and surgery. How does laser skin resurfacing work? The word laser is an acronym that stands for light amplification by the stimulated emission of radiation. For this reason, a laser is not just an instrument but also a physical process of amplification. Laser, light amplification by the stimulated emission of radiation. Light which amplifies the emission of radiation. It is not just an instrument but also a physical process of amplification. It contains 4 primary components: laser medium, optical cavity or resonator, power supply or pump, delivery system. Laser medium, solid medium, liquid medium or gas medium. Solid medium example ruby, liquid medium example abdomen dye, or gas medium example helium neon argon. Optical cavity or resonator surrounds the laser medium and contains the amplification process. This optical cavity or resonator, it is located surrounds the laser medium and it helps in the amplification process. Power supply or pump excites the atoms and creates inversion. This power supply or pump, the atoms which are present in the medium, they excites the atoms. These excited atoms move from low energy orbit to the high energy orbit around the nucleus of the atom, and they reach the ground state or normal state and they emit photons. These atoms are all in same wavelength. The photons are delivered to the target by the delivery system, and the fourth one, delivery system, deliver the light to the target. Fiber optic or articulating arm with mirror joints. With the help of these, the delivery system acts to deliver the light to the target. Types of laser resurfacing. Laser resurfacing is a procedure that uses a laser to improve the appearance of skin or treat minor facial flaws by removing layers of skin, which we have already discussed. It is a procedure to improve the skin appearance or to treat the facial flaws by removing layers of skin. The 2 most common types of resurfacing lasers are carbon dioxide and erbium. In carbon dioxide method, this type of laser is used to treat wrinkles, scars, warts and other conditions which are present on the face. And it also has some side effects like tenderness, redness, scars, etc. In erbium method, this type of laser is used to remove superficial and moderately deep lines and wrinkles on the face, hands, neck and chest. It causes fewer side effects than CO2 lasers. In this type, they use it to remove superficially and also by deeper lines and which are present on the face, that is wrinkles, and also present on the hand, neck and chest. It also causes some side effects but less than CO2 method. Conclusion. Although skin resurfacing cannot produce perfect skin, it can improve the appearance of your skin. Potential risk of the procedure include although laser skin resurfacing cannot produce perfect skin, it improve the appearance of a skin. It also have some risk, burns or other injuries from the laser heat, scarring, change in the skin's pigmentation including areas of darker or lighter skin, reactivating herpes, cold sores, bacterial infection, milia, which are small white bumps, may appear in the laser treated areas during healing. These are all the side effects which may occur during the treatment or after the treatment. These all can be recovered within the weeks by consulting doctor. Until recently, the only method to medically treat this damaged skin or chemical piece or derm abrasion method. In derm abrasion method, the surgeon uses a wide brush or diamond wheel with rough edges. They remove the layers of the skin. This process wounds the skin and heals, causes it to bleed. After wound heals, the new skin grows over this area and the damaged skin removed. In order to, and also have some side effects more than these methods. In order to rectify this or to maintain fewer side effects, Dr. Goldman, who is the father of laser technique, has invented this laser technique. 50% improvement has found in this technique. Thank you.